Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can protect your Google Drive files in seconds. So if you worry about who can access your Google Drive files, in this video, I'll show you how you can lock down your files and secure your Google Drive in just a few clicks. So first, you can just open your Google Drive and then right-click the files. So we just head to this page, drive.google.com, and locate the file or folder that you want to protect. And in here, you can just right click it. For example, here, I'm going to just go with this one in here. You can just right click on it and then choose share. And in here, you can just click on the general access in here and change it from let's say the previous setting is anyone with the link. You can change it into restricted like this, and this will ensure only specific people you invite can access the file. So only these people here can open and access the file. And you can also here under the add people access in here, you can just enter the email addresses of the people that you trust. You can add more people and then choose their role, whether as editor, viewer, or commenter. And if you want to stop people from copying or downloading your file, you can click on the gear icon in the share window, this one, and then uncheck the viewers and commenters can see the options to download, print, and copy. So just uncheck this. And to make sure your file stays secure, you can also right click and then here say right click and here click on view details or file informations. In here, click on details, and here you can see who accessed it and what actions were taken. You can click on activity in here to see the actions. And that's it. Your Google Drive files are now locked down and protected. If this helped you secure your content, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.